Stop, just for a second. Do you have a dream? A dream where you travel the world, make new friends from different cultures, or get that amazing job you've always wanted? And does that dream feel impossible because of one thing, English? What if I told you that in the next 15 minutes, you will not become fluent, but you will take the most important step? The first one, the one that changes everything. Forget complicated grammar. Forget memorizing thousands of words. Today, we start speaking right now. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to Step 1. We're not going to learn the entire English dictionary. That's a marathon. Today, we're starting with a sprint. We're going to learn what I call the Golden 20. These are the 20 most essential words and phrases you need to survive in almost any basic conversation. This is your foundation, your starting block. Think of it like building a house. You don't start with the windows, right? You start with the foundation. These words are your concrete. Let's break them down into 4 simple groups. First up, the absolute essentials. Greetings. How do you start every conversation? Repeat after me. I will say it slowly, then at a normal speed. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. Great. Now let's add some politeness. This is super important. People will always be more patient if you are polite. Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. And the magic words for getting attention or apologizing. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See? Simple. You can now start and end a conversation politely. But how do you get information? With questions. This is a powerful one. Point at something you don't know and ask, what is this? What is this? To find a place. Where is the? For example, where is the bathroom? To ask for the price. How much? How much? And finally, our last group, the basics. These are the answers and simple statements you'll use all the time. I don't understand. I don't understand. This is not a sign of weakness. It's a tool for learning. It tells the other person to slow down or use simpler words. I speak a little English. I speak a little English. This is a fantastic phrase. It manages expectations and people will be happy to help you. And the most important 2 for today are I am and my name is. Let's put it together. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is your name. Amazing. That's it. That's your Golden 20. 20 words and phrases that open a million doors. Don't try to learn more today. Just these. Practice them. Say them out loud. Write them down. This is your mission for the next 24 hours. Okay, you have your tools, the Golden 20. Now, how do we use them? How do we get the sound of English right? Step 2 is what I call the imitation game. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you study grammar books as a baby? No, you listened and you copied. You imitated the sounds your parents made. We are going back to that natural way of learning. Your mission is not to understand everything. Your mission is to hear and copy. We need to train your mouth and your ears. The muscles in your face need to learn new movements to make new sounds. It's like exercise for your mouth. So where do you find things to imitate? The answer is everywhere. But for a beginner, we need something simple, slow, and clear. I have 3 perfect sources for you. First, children's cartoons. I'm serious. Shows like Peppa Pig or Pocoyo are gold mines for beginners. Why are they perfect? The language is extremely simple. They repeat words and phrases over and over, and they speak slowly and clearly. Your task, watch one 5-minute episode. Don't try to understand the story. Just pick one character. And every time they say something, pause the video and repeat it. Try to copy their emotion. If they sound happy, you sound happy. Second source, simple songs. Music is magic for language learning. Rhyme and rhythm help you remember. We're not talking about complicated rap songs. Think nursery rhymes or simple pop songs. Let's take a very simple one. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. You probably know the melody. Now let's focus on the sounds. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Your task? Find one simple English song you like. Listen to the first line 10 times. Then sing it out loud 10 times. Don't worry if you sound silly. Sounding silly is a sign that you are learning. And your third source is me, right here on this channel. Go back to the first part of this video. Listen to me saying hello. Pause, repeat. Listen to me saying thank you. Pause, repeat. Do this 5 times for each of the golden 20. The imitation game is about building muscle memory. You are connecting your brain to your mouth. Don't judge yourself. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is to make the sounds. Just make the sounds. You are teaching your body how to speak English. All right, you have your survival words. You have a method to practice the sounds. Now for the most exciting part, the part that makes it all real. Step 3 is your first English mission. Learning a language in your room is safe, but language is for connection. It's for communicating with other people. It's time to take your English out of your notebook and into the world. I know this can be scary, but your mission today is designed to be super simple and low pressure. I will give you 3 mission options. Choose only one, the one that feels the most achievable for you today. Mission number 1, the digital diplomat. This is for those who are a little shy. You can do this from your computer. Your mission is this. Go to any international English video on YouTube. It could be a music video, a travel vlog, anything. Scroll down to the comments. Find one simple comment you like and write a simple reply using your golden 20. It doesn't have to be clever. It just has to be real. You are using your English to connect with a real person. Click reply. Mission complete. Feel that? That's progress. Mission number 2, the coffee commentator. This requires a little more bravery. The next time you buy a coffee or anything in a shop, your mission is to use at least 2 of your golden 20 phrases. When you order, you can say, "1 coffee, please." When they give it to you, you say, "Thank you." That's it. That's the whole mission. You are not trying to have a long conversation. You are proving to yourself that you can use English in the real world and it works. The cashier will understand you. You will get your coffee. That is a huge victory. And mission number 3, the tourist in your town. This is the expert level for today. Find a place in your city where tourists often go. A hotel, a museum, a famous landmark. Your mission is to find someone who works there, a receptionist, a security guard, a ticket seller, and ask them a simple question. They will answer you. Maybe you won't understand their answer perfectly. That is not the point. The point is you asked, you started a conversation, you faced the fear, and you did it. Whatever their answer is, you just smile and say thank you, and walk away like a hero because you are one. Choose your mission, the digital diplomat, the coffee commentator, or the tourist in your town. The most important rule is you must do it within 24 hours. Don't wait. The energy you have right now is precious. Use it. Choose your mission, the digital diplomat, the coffee commentator, or the tourist in your town. The most important rule is you must do it within 24 hours. Don't wait. The energy you have right now is precious. Use it. 15 minutes ago, the idea of speaking English might have felt like a distant dream. But look at what you've done. You learned the golden 20, the foundation for any conversation. You learn the secret of imitation, the natural way to train your voice and your ears. And you have a mission, a clear, simple step to take your English into the real world. This is the secret. This is how you start, not by learning everything, but by learning the right things. Not by waiting until you're perfect, but by speaking today. Your English journey is not a giant mountain you have to climb in one day. It's a path made of small, single steps. And today, you took your first one. I am genuinely proud of you. So what's next? First, do your mission. And I want to hear about it. In the comments below, tell me which mission you chose and how it went. Writing "Mission Complete" will be a huge motivation for everyone else here. This is a community. We're all starting together. Second, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting new lessons every week to guide you on your next steps. We'll learn more words, practice more sounds, and go on more missions together. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You just took it. Welcome to the world of English. I'll see you in the next video.